How to reserve a vehicle. Create an account or log in. Click on the Reserve button. Your vehicle will be reserved for 48 hours. During this time, you can finalize your purchase or cancel your reservation. To generate an invoice, first select the car you want to purchase and click the Get Invoice button. If this is your first time, you will need to fill out your general information. Save changes. And Get Invoice. Again, finally, select your destination country, shipping type, and pre-inspection, optional. If you want the payer and notify party details to be the same, click Allow. Click Get Invoice. Download it. To upload a telegraphic transfer, TT, go to the admin panel and click on TT. On the right side, select the invoice you want to upload the TT for and upload the TT copy. We will review your TT and accept it within 48 hours. Once your TT is accepted, you will see a BL on the right side. You may edit the BL information within 48 hours, but once the TT is accepted, BL cannot be edited. Thank you. For more details, visit our website, www.horizonvehicles.com.